ಈಗ ಎಂತ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳಿ?
ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಯಾ?
ನಾಳೆ 2 ದಿನ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇಯಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡುವುದಾ?
I have the footage. I've seen it. There's no laptop.
Yes, now you open the thing and run. But if there are complaints, is register a crime.
In accordance with law, we'll
Yes.
act it.
Definitely.
One.
ಈಗ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಮುಂದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ.
No, that is not the issue. Let them, we'll not interfere.
Which is that police station?
The Madikeri police, town police. The officer is present.
ಯಾಕೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ?
Well, there is no issue of them. We are not stopped
Yes,
them
you
from opening.
continue functioning there.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
No, we'll file an affidavit to that effect also, Your Lordship. We are not restraining them from.
They will not interfere with your business unless otherwise warranted in accordance with law.
ಅವತ್ತು 5:30ವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್.
No, Your Lordship, I'll
ಅದಿಲ್ಲಿದೆ,
brief-
ಏನೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Your Lordship, I would, page number 1, this is a complaint given by the general public. that
ಜನರಲ್
there are-
ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಹಾ,
That there are illegal chit funds and illegal Ponzi schemes being conducted by certain.
register a crime.
Allala, I'm coming to
If that is the case, somebody should register a crime.
No, Your Lordship, against.
ಜನರಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ
Allala,
ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ.
Your Lordship, this is the sequence what has happened,
Correct.
what transpired.
If see,
We have not disturbed them.
I'm telling you, if there is illegality or if there is a crime that is being committed in a particular place, register the FIR and take action. Nobody will come to this court unless warranted.
No, Your
ಅದು
Lordship.
ಬದಲು ಬಂದ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದವರೆಗೂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
That Madila Swami, that we have not done because there are other 2 complaints also. There's a dairy entry against the petitioner. That is at page number, Your Lordship, I will take Your Lordship to page number 11. The complaint given by Praveen. ಮಡಿಕೇರಿ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ ಮುನ್ನಪ್ಪ ಗ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಸಂಜೀವಿನಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಕಟ್ಟಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಡೀಲ್ ಎಂಬ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಜ್ವಾನ್ ಎಂಬುವರು ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಡಿಪ್ ನಡೆಸಿ ಜನರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ₹1,000 ನಂತೆ ಹಣ.
ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್,
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಡೈರಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. There are 2 complaints. So all that we have done is we have asked them. There's a brochure also which I have
that you have
produced,
yes.
which we produced. All that we inquired them to give us what necessary documents are there. Now, apart from that, we have not done anything.
The problem is manner of inquiry.
That we will rectify, sir. We'll rectify.
But if there is an allegation against you, you can't. ಕಾನೂನು ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ.
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ nobody will come here. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದೇನೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಕ್
No,
ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
Your Lordship, there were lot of.
and our laptop is with them till even now also.
No, illa, sir.
When I
We give an
return-
undertaking, sir. Laptop is not there. The camera.
ಏನೇನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಪಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
No, Your Lordship, I can produce the footage. It is with them. It's a false submission. I have the footage. I've seen it. There's no laptop.
Yes, now you open the thing and run. But if there are complaints, is register a crime.
In accordance with law, we'll act it.
Definitely.
5:30 ಅವತ್ತು ನಮ್ ಪರಿಚಯದ 2 ಜನ ವಕೀಲರು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಕೇಳಿ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಔಟ್.
No, that they will not.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
they will not do that.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ we will get that affidavit filed.
That's all right. I will tell them not to take any action except
We'll
in
not
accordance
take
with.
any.
Definitely. We'll close this. I heard the learned senior counsel Jay Kumar S. Patil appearing for the petitioner. This court, on the submission made by the learned senior counsel, had passed the following order on 21/3/2025. The court that order. The learned AGA, the allegation was that the petitioners are the office bearers of the petitioners Dreams and Deals International Private Limited were taken to the police station and make them sit in the police station till 5:30 in the evening. While doing, the laptop or the movables in the shop had been seized by the police, all of which was without registering any crime. Therefore, this court had directed a report to be secured from the hands of the report to be secured by the learned AGA. The learned AGA Rahul Karyappa now produces the original records contending that there are two complaints by two individuals against the office bearers of the petitioner. The allegation is that they are running chit fund,
Chit fund and Ponzi scheme and lucky draws.
the running chit fund, Ponzi scheme and lucky draws, which is seriously disputed by the learned senior counsel for the petitioner. Be that as it may, if there are allegations, it is for the respondent police to take action in accordance with law and not take action contrary to law or in violation of law. The learned AGA would undertake that the functioning of the business of the petitioner would not be interfered with unless the situation warrants or the law warrants. And if there is any investigation to be conducted, it shall be conducted strictly in consonance with law. The submission is placed on record. In that light, the petition in the light recording the aforesaid, the petition stands disposed, reserving liberty to the petitioner to knock at the appropriate fora in the event of need, ordered accordingly.
Privilege.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ.
ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಒಬ್ರೇನಾ? ಈಗ ಎಂತ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳಿ?
ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಯಾ?
ನಾಳೆ ಎರಡೇ ದಿನ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡುವುದಾ?
That is the hope.
ಹೈ ಹೋಪ್.
That is the nice.
ಇವಾಗ
We'll see. ಅದೇ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಟ್.
ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್
ಆಯ್ತು, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ವಿಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್.
My lord, bill number 112, my lord.
ಅವತ್ ನೀವು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 1 hour ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, you had argued on the previous day. Because the submission is that interim order is not granted on the strength of the predicate offense, and new submission is now made. It is not granted on the predicate offense. It is ED offense baralla anta Pavana Dibur rely agi. They rely on paragraph 12 of Pavana Dibur's judgment to say properties that were acquired prior to the predicate offense cannot become a subject matter of ED. Now attachment proceedings are here.
My lords, there are two things. My
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ.
I only find.
No, I only reiterated what those two submitted last week.
My lord, even the criminal case is stayed in this now.
Correct. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ?
That's the problem, my lord.
ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ.
Kindly see, my lord, the interim order is as prayed for is granted, my lords. In the prayer, they have added 4 prayers. One of the prayers
will
is,
see.
my lord had dismissed it earlier. Criminal
We'll
case, your lordship had dismissed it.
Listen.
Therefore, the matter is now he is arrested in a IPC case. He cannot be arrested now in this case. No proceeding can go on.
ಎರಡೆರಡು
case.
ಕಡೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ?
No, no.
ಒಂದೇ
As the
ಸರಿ
criminal
ತಾನೆ.
case, there is no progress at all because that
Aye,
cannot
we'll
be.
see, we'll
My
see,
lord,
we'll see.
may pray, my lord. 2:30. Naldo.
Meeting at 4:45.
Please.
My lord, Supreme Court directions, senior citizen matter should be taken.
ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.